Hi and welcome to this course. In this video, we are going to talk about Node.js. So what is Node.js? Well, if we go by the official definition of Node.js, then Node.js is a JavaScript runtime which is built on Google Chrome V8 JavaScript engine. But what is runtime and what is a JavaScript engine? Well, a JavaScript runtime is the place where our JavaScript code is executed. It is an environment, it is a container inside which our JavaScript code is executed. But what is a JavaScript runtime? Well, a JavaScript runtime is a program which executes our code inside of a JavaScript runtime. So the engine is the actual thing which executes our code, okay? Now, most of us have used JavaScript before inside of a browser, whether you have written vanilla JavaScript or you have used frameworks like React or Angular, but you have written JavaScript and you have used your browser to execute that code. And in this case, our browser is the place where our JavaScript code is executed. So our browser is a JavaScript runtime. Every browser can understand and execute JavaScript code. The browsers uses a JavaScript engine to execute the code. The Firefox uses SpiderMonkey JavaScript engine to execute JavaScript, and the Google Chrome browser uses the V8 JavaScript engine to execute the code. And the Node.js is just like a browser. It is just a container, an environment in which our code will be executed. And the Node.js uses the Chrome V8 JavaScript engine. So the same engine which is used by Google Chrome, the Node.js uses the same engine to execute JavaScript. So it is a place, it is a container inside of which our JavaScript code is executed, okay? Just think of it like that. Now the Node.js takes JavaScript out of the browser and it executes it on our computer. And with that, many restrictions of browser are removed. Node gives us much more than a browser. It allows us to build fast and highly scalable web application. It allows us to execute our JavaScript code on the backend. Node is now one of the most popular technology which is used to build web application. And the best thing about the Node.js is the great community. The Node.js has a great community behind it. Many developers are using Node.js, and you will find answer to almost every question on Stack Overflow about Node.js. And it also has a huge library of packages which you can use inside of your project to get the work done in less time. So again, what is Node.js? It is just like a container and environment in which our JavaScript code is executed. It takes our code, it takes our JavaScript code outside of the browser and it executes it. And it is one of the most popular technology that is now used to build web application. But now let's talk about when you should be using Node.js and when you should not be using Node.js. You should use Node.js when you are building a data intensive web application. When you are building an application where you are streaming videos or you are building a real time chat application, then you should be using Node.js. Every time you are building a data intensive project, a data intensive application, then Node.js is the best choice. Now let's talk about when you should not be using Node.js. Well, you should not use Node.js when you are building an application which is very CPU intensive, which requires heavy server-side processing. The application which requires heavy server-side processing should not be built in Node.js. For example, when you are building an image manipulation application or a video conversion application or a video compression application, then these type of application require heavy server-side processing. Then in these cases, you should not be using Node.js. For any CPU intensive application, you should not use Node.js. Node.js is the best choice when you are building a web application which is data intensive. Alright, so that is all I wanted to teach you about Node.js. And now let's talk about the companies which are using Node.js. And some of the names are Netflix, Uber, and PayPal. And these companies use Node.js and they trust Node.js to build their application, which shows that Node.js is a very, very capable technology. I hope you learned a lot about Node.js, and if you have any question or comments, make sure to leave them down below and I will surely answer you. Alright, that's going to be it for me for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.